So they can just have at it. I'm videoing.
Youngest to oldest. You first.
Travis first.
Now Tristan. Cool. It's the old time toy.
Uh-oh.
Yay! Yeah! I wanted to see the old kind.
This must be the year for turtles.
The year of the turtle.
Is it slippers, I think? With lights. They're shoes. I saw them.
Give it to Daddy if you can't get it open.
I can help. Am I next? There's tape on it. Yes, I know. Daddy, you don't know that. That's going to be the last.
Go for the next one while Sissy's helping you open that one.
Nah, not yet.
Why?
I got it.
Oh, okay.
Look,
Look,
Daddy.
she got it.
The old kind. Old kind shoes. Shoes.
Cool.
Wow. Ricky.
Wow.
I know.
You needed some more shoes, didn't you?
Yeah, open this one. No, I'm opening this one. You're opening this one last? Yeah.
No, Tristan.
I got lots on my wish list.
Yeah, well, Tristan only had 2 to open, and he already opened them, so.
No trespass. Hey, just get people.
Trisket.
Yeah.
Isn't that a candy? Trisket. No, it's
The
not.
snack cracker.
Yeah.
Put tape on Ricky.
Yeah, go ahead and cut the tape on his.
No.
Don't open it yet, okay?
Whoa! The jacket.
A jacket.
A turtle jacket.
That's a Mikey jacket. It even has the mask.
Oh,
Yeah, Dad, I wanted it. Caleb got one of these. It's so
Uh-huh.
and it's Mikey. I get the same one. Open the last one. I saw a hand of a Ninja Turtle in a box.
Honey, can you turn the overhead light on? Be better with the video.
Need some help? No.
Metal sheet.
This is the last one. He even got one too.
Much better.
He got one too.
He has one too.
I have one too. I have one too. Hey, but it's Mikey. I have a Leo, I think.
Yours is being born, ain't it?
That's what I was thinking.
I think mine's done. Okay, you might.
That's so cool.
It's a pole, that's it.
Okay, throw the box over there.
Is that it for you, Tavis?
Throw the boxes over there.
Okay. Ricky!
Raphael.
But yours is a wacky one. Grab A.
All 3 of them different.
Yep.
Cleo. Mikey, Raph. Yep.
Who will I choose? It's a Cappy! And I'm trying to go now.
Cool. You got a Mikey hoodie.
Just like him.
Now you can dress up like a turtle.
Sorry.
Tristan, you're in the way.
Anyway,
Oh, shoes.
Oh, shoes.
Maybe they might be the same one. Y'all have different things. Yep, but only one different thing. Mommy! You have to wear that to school.
will you turn that lamp out? It's making the video
Oh, yeah.
bad.
Yeah, quick. Look. It's a puppet scaring the lizard. Look.
Travis. Whoa.
Take a
That's
picture.
so cool.
Take a
I'm
picture.
using the video.
Oh, I
Are
have
you
to
kidding
do
me? Those
this.
things are huge. Those are huge.
My turn.
Those are huge. Let me see your foot.
Mommy, my turn.
Wow, that's gonna be some growing into.
Mommy, Monster High shoes. Monster High shoes.
What?
Those are the lights for cats.
Well, that could be a shoebox with a doll.
Yeah, it
in
could be a shoebox. Grammy could have given those shoes to Chloe and just used the box.
Chloe?
Uh-huh. Chloe's your cousin. You haven't met her.
Wow.
Oh, ooh. Well,
You have seriously been Monster High out this
Yeah.
Christmas.
Yeah, like seriously.
Are
Are those the right size?
Hang on.
7, 8.
Hang on.
7, 8. Those would be huge.
Yes, it's a size 2.
2.
Bigfoot.
Mine's a size 2.
Are they a 2?
Twilight.
Twyla? Woo!
And her pet Dustin. Her dad is the boogeyman.
Gee whiz, Cat, how many more Monster High dolls can you get?
Right now I have 5.
5.
I need this head off.
Okay, hang on. Don't pull it. Let Daddy do it.
It's another Monster High doll.
Well, it could just be a funny shaped box.
It isn't.
Right here, right?
No, it is a Monster High.
Put it on the inside. Put
What? It's double wrapped.
it on the inside. You'll get the tab
It's double wrapped. Told ya. Another.
Well, don't you just know it all? What is it?
Howlin'.
Ooh. Ooh, she's pretty.
That's what she looks in 13 missions.
You know all them
No,
dolls.
that's her sister. That's Howlin'. No, it's her sister. Howlin'.
No.
Look at the word.
Howleen is Claudine's sister. They're sisters.
That's what she looks whenever she gets grown up. Last present.
Well, that's got to be.
Monster High.
A car.
No.
It's a car.
This is cute.
Monster High pajamas.
Monster High pajamas.
Nana. Monster High.
No way. Not more Monster High. Ew.
A necklace.
What is that?
A bag.
Yeah, a bag. I've always wanted a bag. And
Oh,
coloring
goodness
book.
gracious.
a coloring
Ooh, now those you can definitely put up on the wall in your bedroom after you color them. Ew.
Yes, right, Ricky? Sure. Really? I color the posters.
That's a wrap, Cat. Put on
Dude,
them
what's the crown?
whenever they're still wet, I guess. Yeah, I guess. Throw away.
Hey, these are the same markers that Aussie has. And look. Yay, I won! Can
You have to cut that to keep people from stealing
I
them.
won,
Oh, gracious, y'all had a big Christmas.